Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Proton Calendar not loading issue step by step. If Proton Calendar gets stuck on the loading screen or refuses to open your calendar, the problem is usually caused by your internet connection, browser cache, outdated software, or temporary server issues. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection by opening a few other websites or apps. If your connection is slow or unstable, reconnect to Wi-Fi, switch to another network, or restart your modem and router before trying Proton Calendar again. Next, refresh the Proton Calendar page or completely close and reopen the mobile app. Yeah, if you're using the web version, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser. You can also try another supported browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. If you're using the Proton Calendar mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause loading problems or compatibility issues. You should also verify that you're signed in with the correct Proton account and that your device's date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect system settings can occasionally interfere with secure connections and synchronization. Finally, if Proton Calendar still won't load, check the official Proton status page to see whether there's a temporary service outage or maintenance affecting Calendar. If everything appears normal and the issue continues, contact Proton support for additional troubleshooting, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Proton Calendar not loading issue and get back to managing your schedule without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next